Hey guys, welcome to another session with me. Sorry that there is no camera. My connection is not that great for the last couple of days. So we are trying to see if everything is fixed before we return. But we can check the market. Like market this week is doing great. We have a data coming from the US, like employment change from the US in 17 minutes. So definitely that's going to be the mover for the US sessionals. We have the PMI data later on in, let's say, 3 hours from now on. So we have a decent amount of the data. That part is great. Let's see what we can look for. Now, dollar index is bearish at the moment. We remain bearish. Go to the higher time frame. No, I still have, for some reason, a drop in the frames. Hopefully that won't really last for long. But if we take a look here at the 4-hour time frame, we are definitely bearish. I want to see 99 next. Not that big deal, but that's that next key level that we want to see. In terms of a trading, we can see that in terms of trading, we can see that we have the weekly open coming. The market is reacting right now around the weekly open. Definitely, I would love to see some sort of a pullback. So into this higher time frame order block. And when I say higher time frame order block, I mean the hourly one. So maybe a short-term pullback. I want to see how market will react from the order block before I continue to look for positions in the majors. Okay, this drop. I really hope that you guys can see everything correctly. Like when I tested like 15 minutes ago, everything was working great. And right now, it's not. I hate this connection. Come on. Guys. If start shutting down, we will close the session. The euro, the same story, guys. Since we are bearish, the dollar index, we want to be bullish on the euro USD. Euro was the best trade for the UK session today. Right now, I need to see a test of the hourly order block before I continue to look for the long plays. We also tested the weekly open. We will probably get that this week's highs next. But keep in mind, we have the news. And just because of that, and just because of that, we may see a pullback and potentially opportunity to allow us to get into a position again. No, this is not working. Okay, guys, since this is not working, let's close the session. I'll try my best to fix this today so we can work tomorrow. But overall, base your idea on the dollar index for today. Like it's bearish, maybe we go for a pullback, wait for that pullback and play the majors. That's the best way how I would play it right now. Gold is also doing great. Like gold is pushing nicely higher. We're finally getting that momentum. So a pullback plays are a great option here. Like previous month high is definitely the next target. So 4,200 is that next area of interest for gold. And on the pullbacks or order blocks, definitely you can start thinking about long positions. Everything else, like NQES, are definitely fine. Like they are moving nicely towards the upside. So buying pullbacks are great. Maybe I would love to see a deeper retracement in NQ, let's say till 29,562, and from there to try to get into a long position. But even a break above 20, below 29,762 can open a door for a potential long. I'm just looking at this as a potential flag. Yes, needs pullback. I'm counting this as a small flag, looking for further bullish momentum here. Definitely, pullback plays are always going to be the best for us. Since connection is not working, we are going to close the session. Sorry for a short session. This is not working. Have a great day, guys.